This
transfer
conference will
pricing
now
rules,
be
right?
recorded.
Related, sorry,
Yeah,
related.
related party transactions. When you do transactions between related party transactions, uh, transfer rules will apply, right? So I was just thinking, is there any, uh, is there any responsibility for T&L consultant to consider those laws and ensure that it is covered during that transactions? Because
So
when you
there are
do, yeah,
there are two
yeah,
intercompany.
yeah.
Intercompany stock transfer, are you referring, or intercompany financial transactions, journal, transfer journals?
Yeah, yeah. So in our examples, when we do intercompany transactions, it will create purchase order, sales order, and even we will invoice. It means there is a sales transactions, so it will impact financial.
Yes.
So for that,
So what is your question now in this?
for example, see, when you are buying from one related party, minimum profit we need to consider, correct? To avoid the tax authorities' questions.
Okay.
So do we need to have some kind of profit margin? Uh, uh, because we will buy some products from intercompany. For example, yeah.
So I understood now your question. Let me brief. So in this intercompany means there are two functions. One is company to company. Okay. Then you have option to modify. Let me show you this one. So if you go to art vendor, USMF, it is customer. So system will allow you what is the whatever the price you want.
Okay, edit we. Okay. Yeah, but my question was, can we have some kind of fix when you do intercompany transactions? This much of percentage profit will apply, not less than that.
No,
Okay.
it's not
So
available. At the time of in the item master or trade agreement, you can write.
okay, between parties.
Yeah. You can enter like the trade agreement prices.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it, Satya. I understood. No.
Even beyond that one, if you want, you can edit that one in the setups. Edit, am I right? In the edit, you can modify.
Yeah. Yes.
And the second thing is this is intercompany stock transfer between companies. If it is a transfer order, there is one more transfer order. Transfer order means between warehouses.
Yes.
So if it is a between warehouses, Indian local manage that one.
Yeah.
But in here,
Yes.
you will not. INMF, you will find functionality. 1 minute. Let me. If it is INMF,
Yeah.
inventory management. Okay,
Yes.
outbound transfer orders. This is only available in INMF. So whenever you are creating a transfer order, you have two options transfer. See,
Yeah.
this is only for India. If you want that one, stock transfer you need to select. Then it will allow you to
Okay.
price.
Yeah.
In standard, it is not there.
Okay. And Satya, can we get all intercompany related transaction as a one report somewhere, or we need to uh,
Sorry, come again. What is your meaning?
all intercompany transactions in one report? If at all we want to submit all the transactions related party related one, can we
So
generate?
it is intercompany means INMF to USMF, INMF to DEMF, INMF to REMF. It is like that. So I don't think so. It is by default. It is available in the system. You need to search
We need
that
to
one.
see.
Reports
Okay.
always. It may be exist that may not be fulfilled to the customer. So
Yeah.
always the reports is a big exercise to anyone for implementation because you need to collect the from the customer, from the client, wherever you are going to implement, and you need to
Yeah.
choose the nearest reports, whatever it is there, and you need to make modification as per the client requirement. That is the reason Microsoft is not selling license to client directly. Through partner only it is selling. That is major reporting purpose.
Okay.
That, yeah.
Yeah. And coming to second question, you said no other activities for T&L people as a closing activities. That's okay. And service order, you said it's not related.
So
Physical
inventory
versions.
closing activity means one is inventory closing is T&L people responsibility, but anyhow that will be should be monitored by finance consultant.
Okay. Yeah, I asked in that question one more thing also, PO balances. I was thinking, see, at the end of the year, all the POs may not be invoiced. I was thinking that opening balance, do we need to transfer something, or it will be,
It is there in general
yeah,
ledger. This is a part of general ledger. Period close. Yes. Purchase order is process.
yeah.
Okay. General ledger module purchase order.
So, is this no T&L people activity or finance people activity? Okay.
It's a edge. Once again,
Okay.
it's edge between finance and
Okay. Yeah, got it. That it's
any.
okay. Yeah, I'm just checking that one. So, okay.
So you have
Noise
how many?
pull. Satya?
Do you have how many years of experience you have?
I'm into finance and accounts. Satya. I have
Yeah,
10 years around.
10 years. Okay. Because
Uh,
these kind of questions are always like senior persons only can ask.
yeah, Satya, because I used to handle audit team and I was, my previous reporting, I was reporting to CFO. So these kind of questions used to
Yeah, yeah.
come
I know.
in the audit. So, yeah.
If you are
Uh,
working with the CFO, definitely there will be a lot of challenges every day.
yeah, yes, Satya. It is very difficult to handle those people.
You know.
Yeah, and a debit note, credit note, you will be covering, you said, and invoice pool, invoice registration, pending invoice, okay, that is different, you said. Yeah, it's fine, Satya. And one more, maybe this question again related to finance.
Yeah.
Satya, VAT related. See, there are different kind of VAT. Maybe in India now it is GST as a one tax. Uh, in VAT, one item, see, in one state may have different kind of VAT. In other state, it may be different, right? Uh, can you help us how we will cover this VAT in Dynamics? Is it
Okay.
at item level?
Are you? Yeah. See, are you talking about there are always taxes are two behaviors? Okay.
Yeah.
In India, Indian taxation is different from USA taxation. In India, taxation is based on the item. In USA, taxation is based on the location where it is. Okay. In India also before 2002, the taxation is based on the location. What it means, Hyderabad, like Andhra Pradesh has different taxes, Tamil Nadu has different taxes, Karnataka has different taxes in 2002, before 2002. At the time it is APGST, I mean to say Andhra Pradesh General Sales Tax and Karnataka General Sales Tax, that is before 2002. Then it was replaced by VAT. VAT is a common tax between all the countries, all the states. Means based on the item, it was changed from location to based on the location to item. So it is in India, in VAT, whenever it was introduced, based on the item only, the taxes will be calculated. So there is no complexity. And GST replaced with VAT, service tax, excise, almost 17 to 18 taxes was replaced with single taxation GST. Okay, if you want to understand GST, it is a separate subject. You can download white paper from Microsoft. One white paper will be there, and you can understand the GST setups and everything. But in USA, definitely wherever the customer is located, based on that tax will be calculated. Because my company, if I'm purchasing, then my company is wherever it is located, vendor will charge the taxes based on my location, wherever I'm running my business. Suppose my business in California, I'm purchasing from New York or New Jersey, then California taxes will be applicable. If I'm selling material to my customer, then my customer wherever it is located, based on that customer, the taxes will be applicable. Ultimately, the customer location.
So this will be, again, finance consultant responsibility, right, Sita?
100% finance consultant. It is not logistics consultant responsibility. Finance consultant.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Yes. Maybe this is not at all related. I'm going to ask. So the integration part, nowadays integration is very, all the implementation may takes place in, integrating a dynamics to with some other apps or something, right? Can you help us? Can we get some kind of knowledge on this somewhere?
So that is majorly for logistics. It is technical. To be frankly, what are you referring? It is technical.
Yeah.
Okay. For that, now Microsoft has beautiful tool, Power Platform. Power Platforms is a beautiful tool. If you are interested, you can learn this one. If you have SQL Server knowledge, at least SQL Server knowledge, at least tables and stored procedures, views, you should know. Then you can learn this one, Power Platform. It is a beautiful, and even you can suggest to your juniors. If anyone is technical consultant, if he is not able to learn the complete because dynamic F&O technical consultant is very complex, because coding C sharp, .NET with C sharp or .NET with X++ language, coding is complex to any junior persons, and his mindset is technical, but he is not that much depth knowledge. Then you can refer to learn Power Platform. This Power Platform is a beautiful tool. It can be integrated with any tool versus any tool, even with website or anything. So nowadays it is the fastest growing product in Microsoft. So this will be used in between CRM and F&O. Not only this one, any tool can be integrated easily with minimum code, with low code, no code. The a slogan for this one is no code and low code.
So even with third-party application, we can integrate with this for platform, right?
Yes. So this is a powerful tool, very powerful tool, and easy to do it. Means even with using the Word, MS Word, you can create invoice printout. If you want invoice printout, we need technical persons, am I right? I mean to say,
Yes, sir.
if I print out invoice printout, if you want to design the format, you need technical
Yeah.
consultant. But whereas in the Word document, you can design, or Excel, you can design. It's not Excel, Word majorly. So the Power Platform is a beautiful tool which is available in the market. From last 1 year, it is more popular. Still, it is need to be popular, so you can utilize this one. But this is a separate technical tool.
Power Apps also is part of Power Platform, right?
Yes, Power Apps. Power Apps, you see here, Power Platform Fundamentals, Power Platform App Makers, and then Power Platform Functional Consultant Associate, Power Platform Developer Associate, Data Analyst Associate, and Power Platform Solution Architect.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Any more questions?
Yeah, can you suggest some, if at all we want to get that knowledge, can you suggest some institution or some person?
I'm looking for that one. So many people are asking me if I'm, as soon as if I'm referring. So one is Power Platform, one is CRM. Okay, these two I'm checking. So if anyone good person is there, definitely I will publish, because before referring to you, I need to verify whether how much he is capable.
Yeah.
I cannot kindly refer a person, am I right?
Yes.
And one more thing, so if you are really want to become strong functional people for Dynamics F&O, so see, this area is dry area. Means,
Administration.
yeah, administration. And I told you this certification already yesterday,
Yes. 300.
300. So if you want to learn, try to learn that one as well. Try to learn. Then you can become a strong functional consultant, because that is also a part of techno-functional. It's kind of techno-functional.
Yeah.
So in
Yeah,
implementations, the clients force, I mean to say, your company forced to learn this one if you are in implementations. Okay, I know some extent, but I cannot teach. I'm not in a position to teach, because if I want to teach, definitely I should be expertise in this area. Only learning is not sufficient. Am I right? That is the reason I'm not able to teach the complete process. If it is really need to work in implementation, I can work with that.
Any suggestions for that, Satya? Again.
This for this one, actually I have referred for 2-3 members for one person. I'm just waiting the feedback from them whether it is whether he is really a good person or not. I'm checking, because I referred one like 2-3 members, but they told like he is not responding properly.
Okay.
The problem is, main problem is in any trainings, one is knowledgeable person. He should be a responsible person to teach properly. So if any person is having knowledge, he will not have response to you. And if he is any person is responding properly, everything, he don't have knowledge, then there is no use, right?
Yeah, correct, Satya.
A very rare piece like available, like having enough knowledge, responsible.
Yeah, Satya.
Okay.
Even you are, maintaining the timings, it's very amazing actually, without
Yeah,
missing any single day.
yeah, fine. Okay, so let me check if it is any person is there. I will publish in the WhatsApp group to everyone. If he is a good person, you can join like that. I can publish. Otherwise, if you ping me, I will give the one-to-one persons like the person number, and you can check with that one. Once if anyone is like if anyone has given feedback like he is a good person, I will publish. So even technical also, some people asked me technical role, but technical consultant also he is not responding properly. So that is the reason this module, to be frankly, manufacturing is not my cup of tea. Manufacturing is not my cup of tea. But I know the product, but I am not expert in domain knowledge. So if I'm in teaching, if I'm in a guru position, definitely I need to have thorough, like excellent knowledge. But now I'm mid, like I'm expert in mid level, not to be frankly top. But I learned this one. I'm fulfilling my gaps so that I can teach to many people. Because the reason behind, in the market, people are not available. Earlier, one person is there, my colleague. That person is now, he's not interested to teach because he is getting into real estate, and he is investing, and he is looking for that one. So his private time, Saturday, Sunday, he is utilizing maximum retail, like I mean to say real estate. So he is not concentrating on trainings. Okay, so that is the reason I'm learning. So this project management accounting, and this advanced warehouse management and transportation management and landed cost and manufacturing, one batch, one time I'm conducting in the weekends. So I cannot start all three together because already regularly I'm teaching finance and T&L. So in the weekends, one time I'm teaching this one time I'm teaching this one time I'm teaching this one. Means in most probably 8 months or in a year, only one or two can be conducted. So whenever I'm teaching, I will publish in the group so that whoever is interested, he will join. These are weekends only. Okay, because the responsibility is very less. That is the main problem for any faculty. Because why I am this much responsibility? Once upon a time, I was cheated by institutes. In during 2005, between 2005 and 2008. So I attended so many classes for different like tools, and I joined. I was cheated like anything. I know the pain of like a person. So that is the reason here it is your life. Whatever you are paying, it is your life now. That is the reason I will take more responsibility whenever I'm teaching, because your career should not be damaged for because of small money. Okay, in one of the institute, they have not paid money to me, and they too clearly declared like faculty is outside the country. So I went for a 1 week travel, outside travel. Okay, I traveled to some other country. 1 week, after 1 week I came back, and see the institute has declared like faculty is no more, like he's like he went on site, so no more classes over, like that he declared. Then I called every person, come to the institute. At that time it is physical class. I told them, come to the institute, and I have taught everything to them. And that institute has not paid any money to me for that batch. Leave it for the money. But I have taught to them, and I finished, and then I came out. Because that 10,000 or 20,000 or 50,000, 40,000, whatever the institute is giving, it is money for me, but for them it is life, if he is really looking for. So he should not think like frustrate on the product who is learning. So that is the reason, that is morals are very strong in my mind. Okay, fine. Now any more questions, please? Any more? So we'll discuss on these points. So now, Magesh, you asked me about the highlighted one, and you are asking him, right? So let me show you. So collapse
Yes,
R.
okay.
So the same thing, whatever you are referring, it is the same. Let me show you. So you are looking at sales order. Whatever I have shown yesterday, the same thing. So whenever you are going to sales order, one second, let me go to our favorite USMF company. Okay, let me open any sales order. Otherwise, it's opening or not. One second. Let me select this one, released. So if you select released one, means it is a warehouse, advanced warehouse management item. Okay, it is opening this one mistakenly 2135. I don't want 2135. Meanwhile, let me take duplicate. So I don't want to 135. So 2060 released. Let me open this one. So if you go back and product, so you are looking for here, am I right? Okay, if you right click view details, it will be referring to that only. Okay, it is coming. Yeah, look at this one. This is the locations. In this, you will find Bedor FL001 like this. Nagesh, is it clear?
Yeah, yes, yeah. I was referring to the work details yesterday. In work details,
Work details.
yes.
Work details means it is not here. It is in the work.
Yeah, work.
What is your question now? So you have
Question is,
highlighted like you
yes,
have
yes,
information. That's
yes,
what
yes.
I'm showing
That,
now. Work details means always here in the warehouse work details.
yeah, work details.
So what is doubt? What is your doubt here now?
Doubt is, we are getting FLR and RECV.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Yeah, yeah.
Where we can track this? That is the question.
So from where it is capturing? Am I right?
Right, where we can track the location, because I am getting only bulk is the
So
location.
location directives. In the location directives, you will have the setups from where to where.
Oh, okay.
So you need to understand the setups, all these things. That's why I told you there are many setups within like see from here you can map 24 SOPO. So one is pick location, one is put location. Okay. So if you try to learn self, it may take even 1 year also you cannot understand. I'm telling you frankly, because why I'm telling this one, I worked for this warehouse management in 2016 and 2017 as a support consultant, But I learned once again in 2018, 2019, once again by paying money to my friend. And even whatever he has explained is very, very minimal, very minimal. Then once again, I have explored a lot. And then I'm teaching this advanced warehouse management once I learned complete thorough knowledge. So self-explanation or setups you cannot understand. Even if you want to understand T&L, you can learn your own. If it is T&L, really, if you have some knowledge about some other ERP, suppose Business Central, if you are trying to attempt in T&L like from like Dynamics 365 F&O, you can attempt. There is no harm there. But advanced warehouse management, you cannot learn independently because there are too many setups. All are connected to each other, connected to each other. So there should be a, I mean to say, T&L module without Guru you can learn. Warehouse management without Guru you cannot learn. That's what my intention. Because one of my student, his name is Asghar Ali. Okay, so he paid 75,000 and he learned from some other faculty. After that, in the session, I have conducted like one or two sessions. I have explained, and he impressed and he asked me, "So, sir, are you able to explain this advanced warehouse management also?" Yes, I told. Then he joined and he is more happy. Frankly, I'm speaking. He told me like 75,000, whatever he spent, he did not learn whatever I have explained in the 2 day session in our T&L. So outside people are very, very like, because it is a high demand, they are charging 75,000-80,000, but I am not like that. Normal fee only I will take. So because it is high demand, I am separately teaching this one, because you need to understand in the new company. So you can do in USMF company easily without any problems. You do setups, everything is correct. But if it is a new company, how to do these setups is a complex. And even transportation management and land cost. Okay, fine.
Thank you, Satya. So it is in location directive, right?
Location directive, yes. In the location directive, you are going to set up what is pick location, what is put locations.
Okay.
Pick location and put
Satya.
locations are common in that one. Yes, please. Yeah.
And another one general question. See, whenever we are clicking that drop-down menu and we are right-clicking the drop-down menu to go to view details, a screen is opening. How to track that screen? What is how to know the path of that screen?
So no, actually we can add. Suppose if you want locations, you can find search like this. You cannot go there by right-clicking and whatever it is. You want the path. If you are clicking on right click.
Yeah, we are right clicking and we are going to read it, that arrow, down arrow, we are right clicking.
It is opening the form. The form where it is, you don't know the path, am I right? That is your question.
Exactly.
So in that, so if you open, yes, like just now you asked me about locations. So if you type in the search, in 2012 it is not there. In D365, if you type location, now it is showing locations. Got it?
Yeah.
Whatever I have shown you the path, the same thing it is coming.
Okay.
So once if you right click and open the form name, you know the form name. Am I right? See, if you are going to say order and it is the form name is it is visible. Suppose let me go again. I'll tell you. And so you are right clicking here and you are opening the form. Then the path is not changing. The path is showing same sales order, but the form is opened with location. This is your doubt, am I right?
Exactly. Yeah. Where to find this form? How to find this?
So here the form name is this one, locations. Okay. Then you need to type that one. So it is the form is opened with the name, but the path is different.
Yes, exactly.
So then you can type this one, whatever it is there, it will show you. Got it?
Where to type? I'm not able to because I'm not logged in laptop through mobile.
Oh, here in the top right side corner, it is search button is there.
Okay, now got it. Yes. Okay.
Locations. If you type locations, it is in the drop down. It is showing all.
Okay, Satya.
Got it?
We got it. Yes.
Any more questions, please?
Yes, warehouse management you were conducting on weekends, right?
Yes.
Yeah, how many classes you will take? Is it a small subject or?
No, it is once again, it is also for almost 40 hours. So initially 15 hours, around 15 hours, and it teach you, and I mean to say, like initially I will teach in USMF company first. Okay, 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, 2 to 2.5 hours, Saturday, Sunday. Like that, it will be minimum to minimum 2 weeks, 2 months. The weekend, Saturday, Sunday, it is 2 to 2.5.
Yeah.
So that means it is equal to the same. But in that, actually, I will make sure like you are going to practice with the system. If not, I will ask you. That is, see, one is in that you need to join every day. You need to join every day. Every day means whenever it is I'm conducting weekends, you should not skip. And I'm not going to provide you video recording sessions for that. I'm not going to provide video recording sessions. And I will make sure like I will make you you need to practice. If you are not practicing, I'll make sure like you can share your screen and practice. Because without practicing, if you are listening, you cannot understand. Particularly for advanced harassment, because too many setups are there. Okay, so you need to practice and you need to attend without any gaps. Then only I will request you to join. Otherwise, please don't join. That's what the precondition whenever you are joining for advanced virus management. Because the connectivities are, if it is broken, you cannot understand. Once again. Okay, fine. Any more, please? Questions?
Hi Satya, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
How about manufacturing module, Satya? Can you teach in weekends also that one?
Yeah, that's what. Actually, 1 week I will teach this one. 1 week, 1 week I will teach this one. So if I'm completing this one cycle, it may be around 7 months, 8 months, 9 months.
Okay, okay.
So it will not come once again. You need to wait for 8 months, 9 months. Then only I can teach. For one person, if any person is suppose 2 persons are interested in this one and 3 persons are interested in this one person is interested in this one. I cannot start a batch because I'm fully occupied from morning to evening and weekdays, and weekends also half day I'm spending. Am I right? So only one batch conduct, either this one or this one or this one only.
Okay, okay. Actually, as you said earlier in the beginning of this session, so you was suggested one of your colleague to teach this manufacturing, but currently is not doing that one. So, like, is there any other faculty?
No, no. So that's why I told you, like, I know very strong persons, 2-3 persons, but they are not teaching. One person is teaching, but he's moved in because he used to teach in the weekends, but now he is spending the time in the real estate, because if he spend 50 lakhs, he will get 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 30 lakhs profit by investing money. So weekends are spending real estate than teaching. With this teaching, he will get 20,000, 30,000. Am I right? Not more than that. 50,000 max to max. But if you spend money on real estate, and he will get return on like lakhs, so his mindset is moved into that area. Okay, so that is the reason I started teaching this one. But see, he will charge like for discrete manufacturing, he will charge separately, and process manufacturing, he will charge separately. Like that, he will teach. But I'm teaching as a bulk, as a manufacturing process. But in this also, I told you, I'm not very much expert. I'm mid-level expert only. I'm not very much expert. That's what I want to give you clear picture, because my core area is finance and T&L, this one, and project accounting. This area, the straight, whatever it is there, this is my core, and this is my additional.
Understood, Satya. Please
Because
let me know if
one person cannot handle all these things. Yeah, it is very difficult.
I understand.
Definitely I will publish in the like group, WhatsApp group. Whoever is interested, respond. Because if I started already, after 1 month, if you are asking like if you I want to learn this one, then what you have to do, once again you need to wait for 8 months or 9 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please let me when
Sure.
you are going to start.
Yeah, I will publish in the WhatsApp group. So I cannot remember one by one. I will publish in the group. Then whoever is interested, you can join.
Basically, when is your plan to start? Do you have any idea?
I will let you know. I cannot give in advance all these things. Okay, most probably in the month of March, maybe maybe Feb and March or something, I can teach this manufacturing.
And Satya, can you refer any books regarding this module, like published books?
See, there are some books, but I'm not because until and unless if I don't have experience, I cannot suggest. Am I right? It is there.
Okay.
Published in WhatsApp group. Okay, I will search and I will get back to you. Publish in the group or ping me in WhatsApp group 1-to-1. I will check and I will get back to you. Please. Something.
Okay. And one more, Satya, basically I'm purely from automobile design side. So if you don't mind, can you send us some reference resumes regarding TLN and finance and operations, so that it will be very useful to me to prepare my resume accordingly.
So I can give you sample resume. It is not like a finance or T&L or manufacturing. That is, you need to prepare yourself. The skeleton I will share with you. If you ping me your WhatsApp number, sorry, your email ID in my WhatsApp group and asking for a sample resume, I will share with you. But I don't have specific to this kind of that is content you need to modify.
Yeah, it's okay. I understand. I'll do accordingly. And if you have any like questions or like interview questions, could you
I
please
think
share with me?
published a lot in the group.
Yeah, I've
I have
seen.
I have sample questions,
Including
very basic
me.
questions. Whatever it is, I'm going to publish. I'm going to share with you. You can send email once again. In that, I will send with you sample questions, very basic questions, because my questions are relevant to 2 to 3 years experience, guys. But Magesh is given like a very lengthy, big questions, typical questions. You can learn that one also. Sample questions I will share with you. Very sample basic questions.
Okay,
For,
okay. Understood.
for 2 years, for 2 years experience, guys. A 2 years experience guide I will share with you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Any
Satya, yesterday it was good actually. You explained in detail that one, financial dimensions and advanced rules. Can you show one advanced rule set of anyone?
fine, no problem. It is very simple. See, advanced rule also, to be frankly, if you logically if you think, advanced rule also a structure, accounting structure. See,
Yeah.
what it means, I'm giving you additional information. Configure account structure is there, am I right? Accounting structure, you know, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Advanced rule, whatever it is there, advanced rule structure. Is also a same accounting structure and structure. It is the logic. So let me show you. Go back general ledger. Collapse all. Chart of accounts. Structures. Advanced rule structure, configuration structure. In my opinion, both are same. Some little bit difference is there. Both are same. What do you mean? Suppose advanced rule structure, if you go here, you can click on new structure, same like account structure. Okay, so some airways I'm creating. There also you are creating like this only. And you are adding the structure like dimensions here. You are adding whatever you want. In the accounting structure also we are adding the same, am I right? Only extra is main accounts will be there. In accounting structure you will find main accounts. Here you will not find main accounts. That's it. Understood? So in this you are not able to find main account. Okay, if you go to accounting structure, go to accounting structure. If you go to accounting structure, in the list you can find main account. So 1 second, let me create. I'm creating new one. 1 second. So accounting structure, suppose accounting structure 6. I'm removing this one. Then create. Sir, if you click on add segment, you will find main account. Understood?
Yes.
Whereas in the advanced tool structure also, we are doing the same. But of course, behavioral change is there, but the design is inside, it is same. So if you go inside, I'm sorry, in this, you are not able to add main account. That's it. Main account will not be there here.
Where do we interlink, Satya? For example, in yesterday's example, in accounting structure, we can create one. Yeah.
Your question. Good. Give me a second. So if you go back, so if you go here, suppose one structure. In this, you can add. Understood? I don't want.
Yes.
I don't want to do this one because
Yeah,
this
but
is already. Yeah, tell me.
okay.
Tell me.
No, you went there and you said we can add here, right? But when
Yeah.
when we want to add, we need to now select one specific main account and configure the financial dimension combination.
You should know about the main account here. In this, you are adding a main account criteria, and you are adding
dimensions.
Yeah. Got it?
What is the thumb rule, Satya? Thumb rule is, we should not have duplicate unless we can add anything, right?
So no, thumb rule is for like if it is accounting structure. For advanced rule, whatever you want, you can add. What is your expectation? Which like what is the concept for like a thumb rule you are asking? For which concept?
Can we use the main account multiple times?
In the advanced rule structure?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use it. Because
okay.
For one account, I want like 2 additional dimensions. You cannot apply that one. Am I right?
Yeah.
So usually we'll create one structure once again, and you will add whatever it is there. You can add it. It's not a complex. It is. It will not. Sorry, it will not restrict for main accounts to be duplicate in the advanced tool. You can try.
Good. Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah. Any more questions, please?
Satya, if you have touched upon is data management, which
So actually, I'm planning to do this one only today, but it is already 1 hour. It is over. Okay, that is the reason I made environment this one ready, this system. Okay, but unfortunately it was like anyhow doubts. I want to give clarification, so I cannot conduct now. Monday we'll see this one. So batch jobs, it is clear. Am I right? Nagaraj, you have asked me about batch jobs.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes, Satya.
Fine. I'm removing. Okay, now bay door and floor. It is I have explained. Magesh,
yeah.
Clear.
Yes.
So okay,
Yeah.
I'm removing. So this one also it is cleared. And sure step methodology, I told you like you can download from anywhere something. Okay. Any more doubts in this one? You can download this file using a partner or customer source. Otherwise, you can try in the like in Google, you will find two-step methodology, because in during 2000 to 2010 to 2015, I used to download from the Google only. I searched a lot and I found. At that time, it is AX 2009 and 2012 documents. Of course, two-step methodology will not change based on the application, but questions may be increased, because in D365, I'm analyzing a lot, so questions may be increased, but the skeleton of the implementation documents is same. So frankly, I'm speaking from last 4 years, 4 years, I'm not in implementation, I'm in support. Earlier, I'm in implementation in AX 2012. In D365, I'm in support only, majorly. So that is the reason I'm not in touch with two-step methodology or implementation. But already earlier I have a lot of experience, so I can move, like I can do it whenever it is needed. My company is asking to do implementations, I can do it. Okay, fine.
Satya, for each and every implementation, this two-step methodology only we need to follow.
So see, frankly, if I speak, if you are following complete two-step methodology, implementation should be completed in 6 months. It will take 2 years.
Oh.
That is the reason no one will follow entire two-step methodology. Wherever it is needed, that only it will be followed. So for that, I have told you clearly, implementation methodology, whatever it is there in a company, right? Implementation methodology we have discussed.
Yeah.
So it is like only removing all the pulp and it is juice only. That's what I told you clearly. Majority companies, this is the only enough. This is the problem. So there are only 3-4 documentations majorly. Whereas in two-step methodology, you will find plenty of documentations for each and everything. So instead of 6 months implementation, it may take 2 years, 3 years if you follow two-step methodology. So I don't think so.
Is there any other methodologies as well?
Sorry?
Is there any other methodology?
See,
Okay.
see, actually, it's not like each and every company will have their own formulas. Okay, if you are implementing in TCS, it may be different. If you are implementing in Infosys, it is different. If you are implementing in Accenture, it is different. So they will have their own already some documents. You need to follow. You need to take that the already implemented earlier project, and you need to take and you need to modify. That is the reason you cannot create from the scratch any document. If you want to create from the scratch, you will die like anything. You will have one document already existing in the company. Based on that, you are going to modify. Got it?
Yes.
It's very difficult if you want to start from the scratch. Very difficult. Okay, fine. Okay, now debit note and credit notes. I will discuss with you most probably Monday, but what it is, let me explain you. So debit note means here purchase returns, which we have discussed already. Purchase returns. There is 2 words here. If it is item return, then it is purchase returns. If it is amount adjustment, it is a journal you need to create from the finance. In the same manner, sales returns. Credit note means sales returns, which we have discussed in detail. A big topic which I have explained. Am I right? Credit note means credit and purchase returns is debit note. If it is a adjustments, financial adjustments, you need to create a journal voucher. You need to create one journal name in the finance, and you need to create journal voucher. That is simple. That's it. So if you want furthermore any details, we'll discuss on Monday in detail. But the high level picture is this one only. Okay, Nagaraju?
Yeah, yes, Satya.
Because if you are doing purchase returns indirectly, it is posting to debit note. Of course, in the system, it is credit note only.
Yeah,
in the
correct.
system, it is the word, it is credit note, but it is a debit note. In India, we will call it as debit note. Okay, fine. Any more questions, please? If nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. Okay, we'll connect once again on Monday. So data management we'll see on Monday. If you want any more questions, we'll discuss once again any more doubts. Okay, most probably Monday will be the last session. If there's any questions, we'll conduct on.
This debit note, credit note just shows Satya on financial adjustment on Monday.
So it is journal only.
Journal only, but do we need to create a separate journal type?
Yeah, you can create. No, there is no separate. So if you are creating, suppose in journal, you can create journal, daily journal, and the name is debit note. Otherwise, if it is a this is the best way always journal, because there is no separate type. There is no separate type.
Yeah, understood, Satya. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So can I remove this point also? Is it clear?
Yes, Satya. Yeah, you can remove.
Fine.
So Monday is the last one.
Yeah, if anyone any questions, we'll discuss on Tuesday also. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, thank you, Satya.
You're welcome. Yeah. See you all. Bye bye.
Thank you, Satya. Thank you very much.
Bye, Satya. Bye, Satya. Bye-bye.
Small request.